Okay, we're going to start off with 3/4 of a cup of rum. So this is the white rum, and this is equivalent to about a little over 4 shots. So this is going to make roughly a little over 2 drinks. So each drink should have roughly 2 shots each. So we'll start by pouring this in. Okay, next we're going to add the Sunny D. So this is orange. Okay, we'll put it on. So we'll use the juice setting. And I'll put it for the thickest, so it'll be minus 1.8 on the juice setting. And we'll come back and check that in a bit and see what it looks like in maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay, this is after 10 minutes, so we're still on the plus side. We're at 4.1. So we'll come back in about another 10 minutes and see where it's at. 4.0, 3.9. Okay, after 30 minutes, we're at minus 1.2, and it'll flash to 1.3. So it's just getting to 1.3 right now. Okay, after 30 minutes, we're at minus 1.3. Looks like it's, pretty much almost ready, but we'll just wait a little bit longer. Okay, it's now at minus 1.4 to 1.3. So this is roughly 35 minutes later. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it now and see what this looks like. Instead of trying to get it right to the minus 1.8 where it beeps. As you can see, it's just hardly coming out, so it's perfect. I wouldn't go much colder than this. Not much, water juice in there at all. Very thick. And I'll give it a taste test here. Wow, that's great. We'll pour another one here. Just so you can see how thick this is actually coming out. And again, we're at the minus 1.4. And just to show you, there's no water in there hardly at all. So it's not very runny. That's if you like your drinks this thick. Sometimes I do. But, you can also, add more, rum in here if you like it even stronger, but that's up to you. You can make this just as is, without alcohol, and then add your, rum or vodka, whatever you prefer, at the end. But turned out great. Thanks for watching.